I'm going to show you how to create a contact in HubSpot. So to create a contact in HubSpot, you go to contact and then you click contacts. Once you click contact, you're going to come to this page here, and then you come here, you click create contact. So the moment you create contact here, so you're going to put your email address here, and then after that, you put your first name, you put your last name. And then, so once you put your email, after that, you're going to put your, you come there, you put your your last name, first name. Let's say, for say John Doe. And then after that, we have you can select your contact owner, and then you have the job title, you have the phone number, and then after that, here you're gonna just select the lead stage, if it's a subscriber, a lead, or marketing qualified lead, and so forth. And then once that is done, so you have, once that's done, you're gonna just click create, and then after that, your contact is gonna be created. So let's say, for instance, you want to have like more data, more fields here. So you're gonna have to click edit this form. You go there, and then after that, you can add more field here. You select some of the property. Let's say, for instance, we have contact city. Yeah, so you can select some of the items here. You can drag things up, and then you just save, and then after that, you can preview how it's gonna look like. So yeah, so this is the way that you create a contact in apps. Yeah, so there you're gonna see so like the list of whatever data that you have. You're gonna have the list of data there, and then so this is the way that you create your contact in HubSpot. And then later, for instance, if you want to add more properties inside, you want to add more properties in your you're gonna have to go to settings, and then you go to contact objects. A data management object is where you're gonna see different kind of setups here, and then you click properties there. You select here, you can add more properties to your contacts, like create property there is where you can create a lot of properties if you want to. Okay, thanks so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and register, and after that you can subscribe for more video. Thank you.